Hello, and welcome to another episode of What Not to Do in Concrete. So first, I want to show you this trench. The contractor did a great job. They cut out concrete here to put in plumbing. This is actually specifically sewer line. And the contractor did a great job pouring back, and they left it 1/2 inch low for the polisher to install an overlay here. Where they kind of started messing up. First, they didn't put anything in here to protect the edges. The edges of this slab, as you can see, are all broken back, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches backwards. This creates a problem that's very hard to repair. So now at this point, the polisher, when they come in to do the polishable overlay here, has to come back and create a new line here, picking up all this damage from the edge. This is caused by lifts and pallet jacks falling into this trench and being drug up over the edges. And so they break the shoulders of these concrete cuts. So they break these back. So the concrete chips and cracks and then comes out, leaving shallow sloping edges. Those are very difficult to repair and get them to hold. Another condition, when the contractor did this cut, they popped a line and did 2 long cuts first. Then they came through and did chop cuts to make such smaller sections that could be lifted out. As you can see, they overcut into the existing adjacent concrete pretty deep, so you get all these little tails. These tails have to be filled like a joint, but they're not very deep, so the joint material a lot of time doesn't hold. So what you want to do if you've got a polished concrete slab, you want to do your cross cuts first, pop a chalk line, do your cross cuts first, then come to the termination point of your cross cuts and do your long cuts, then lift the concrete sections out. That leaves a clean straight edge along both sides of your trench that then can be overlaid. Now that can hold and last and will look good for years to come. Hope this helps. Have a great day.